Alrighty, so I've organized a little bit the code that we had previously with all the steps and everything, and I just organized it a little bit more nice looking and ready for the usage and learning process of the functions that we are going to learn. And the first function is fgetc. So this function works in the following way. It receives just one argument, which is a pointer to a file, okay? Probably it's going to be like this fp, a pointer to a file that has probably been opened for reading, just like we have here. And all this fgetc function is going to do, the fgetc is basically an abbreviation of file get character. All it's going to do is to take one character after the other, okay, one character, the second one, and so on and so forth, from this file that has been opened using the fp pointer. So, if we would like to demonstrate how it's going to look like, so let's create, I don't know, char, let's create a variable char, let's call it char, my char1, and now we will open up the file using the fp pointer. We will make sure that the file was successfully opened, otherwise there is no need to do anything. And now we are going to use like my char1 equals to fgetc, okay? You can see that the compiler, our IDE recognizes it, and basically because we included the standard input-output. So fgetc, and here it specifies what type of argument it expects to receive. So a pointer to file, we know that fp is a pointer to file, so let's send their fp, okay? And I'm talking about this file that I have right here. Where is it? Where is it? Here it is, my first file. It has the following text of hello, all right? Awesome, so let's close it. Let's close it, come on, okay? And now once we are going to read from this file, this character, we would like also to see what we've read, right? So let's go like printf, our standard printf, to print the value to the screen. So let's go like the character that was read is, let's go %c and \n, basically that's it, right? And here we will specify my char1. Awesome. So let's try to build and run it and see what this program will give us. What do you expect to see, guys? Think about it before you read it. You expect to see a capital H, and there you go. The character that was read is capital H. So we've read the first character from this file. And if we would like to read another character, let's simply copy this one, okay? So let's copy this one and paste it right here. So my char1, the first, let's make it the first character and the second character, and basically build and run it once again and see what it gives us. So there you go, H, E, and basically we have the first character, the second character, and if you would have used maybe in your future exercises some loop here, then you will go and every time you will every time that you will read a character from this file, you will also advance your fp pointer to point to some relevant character that it has not read yet, okay, for example. So what I want you to know is that this pointer to file, okay, this file structure is very kind of smart, okay? It knows if it has read one character to move to the next one, and we will also see different functions that will allow us to move further and to move back on this stream of bytes. We said that file is a stream of bytes, right? So we can move from one byte to another and read whatever we need. So I hope that's clear so far. Okay, guys? Let me know if you have any questions regarding the fgetc function. And before we will finish, we just a kind of important note. We remember that we talked about stdin, right, which is just a standard pointer to the keyboard, standard input, just a pointer to the keyboard. And if we wanted to read information from the keyboard, we probably used this stdin pointer, right? And we know that fgetc reads a character from the pointer we supply it with. So in this case, it was like fp, which is a pointer to a certain file, okay? But in our case, this is the case where we have this pointer to a file, but also we could have used the fgetc function, this function, and pass to it the stdn as a pointer. So it will basically look like this. Let's get it here. So fgetc, and here specify, instead of the fp pointer, which is a pointer to this myfirstfile .txt file, so fgetc and specify here std input. Okay, so you see it recognizes also the stdin, and this way you will read one character from the keyboard. Okay, so it will look something like this. Let's go like this. Okay, so you see the console waits for your character. So let's go like K. Okay, you press enter and then the program continues. So fgetc is very general, and once you do understand what is this stdin, standard input pointer, so we can say that fgetc stdin is equivalent to get, kind of equivalent to get char that you've used probably in one of your previous sections on your study, to read a character from the user, or better say from the keyboard, from stdin pointing to the keyboard. So yeah, this is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Keep on practicing. This is the first function related to working with textual files. Very important to understand it. You will have some exercises. Hopefully I will add some good ones. And until next time, have a great time. My name is Vlad, Alpha Tech. I'll see you then.